Oh my god, the squirrel's, look at the squirrel. I thought the squirrel's coming right at us. Oh my god, stop.
No, it's not.
What's the squirrel gonna
I don't
do?
even see it. Oh,
It's over there. It was literally the way it was running.
Don't worry, Cher. It's just a squirrel. You know how many died over those past couple weeks on the highway?
A ton. Are the
Jojos. Jojos? Not Jojo Siwa. The Trader Jojos.
what do they look like?
But they're pumpkin flavored.
Yes, they are.
They have cream in the middle. They look like Oreos.
And in
Like
case you guys
golden
are
Oreos.
wondering, I don't know. I don't think there are pumpkins on it. So
I think
Oh,
it's
they-
just pumpkin flavored.
Yeah.
Smell it.
Oh gosh.
smell that good.
It smells like
Ooh.
pumpkin pie. It's so strong.
So they look like this, guys. This is,
They give you a lot actually.
I know.
We love making videos in the park.
Trying to take advantage of the good weather before it leaves.
Yes.
Let's see. Should I
Ooh,
do a
she's
split?
thick.
Oh my god, the squirrel's... I thought it would be sweeter.
It's sweet. It's really sweet. Oh, it's like really.
No, because
The pumpkin spice is way too much.
it's like a ginger snap.
It tastes with cinnamon. I taste cinnamon.
It's like too pumpkin spicy.
I think that's why it's
Yeah.
called pumpkin spice.
No, but it's like way too much. You know how like
With like a
Starbucks.
splash of cinnamon.
Yeah. I don't know if I really like it. I think one's enough for me.
I give it a 8 out of 10. It's actually pretty good.
Same here.
6.5. Maple with sea salt.
Gotta wash this out with more pumpkin.
Right.
Ooh. I don't know if you can see.
I got that waft right in my face
Oh,
as
no.
soon as you opened
I'll
it.
eat that. Oh, really?
That smells so good.
Oh,
Oh my god.
it reminds me of the Starbucks drink. The
Yeah.
frap, the caramel frap.
Oh, it's good.
Oh my god.
I like it.
This is so good. 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Highly
I give 10
recommend.
out of 10.
You taste the maple?
Yeah. Like the sweetness comes from maple. I miss Disney Kettle Corn. You know, it's actually pretty good.
And it's
I did
gluten free.
You know what it tastes like? The what's it called?
Boom Chicka Pop.
Yes. Yes.
The purple one.
Yes. Oh my god.
Every bite is different.
Really?
That one was really salty.
I guess whoever made this batch didn't do a great job.
I think I prefer it saltier than sweet.
Yeah.
But it has like the right amount of sweetness.
Well, I like this much more than that. What do you rate it?
9 out of 10.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
Yeah. Same.
The
Which one do you want to try?
toaster pastries.
Oh, the
ones that look
knockoff
like-
Pop-Tarts?
Yes, I was literally thinking that.
Let's see. I wonder if the packaging's like... Oh, they do look like Pop-Tarts.
Ah.
Wait, I
can
think
I
there's
have,
more than two. I just want like half.
Me too. Maybe less than that.
Oh, there's two in here. Do you want a full one?
I'll take half.
Okay. Guess I
Yeah.
gotta...
Or break into 3.
Or, yeah, break it in thirds.
Oh, there's like no cream in the middle.
Wanna go closer?
For that.
That's like... It's like a healthy Pop-Tart.
Right?
Oh,
Almost by
sorry.
half.
Thank you. Oh. I thought we were doing
Oh.
thirds.
Oh, wait, that was thirds.
Oh, I thought it looked like more than a third.
It's okay. It's fine. Oh, the pumpkin filling. How is it?
I like it. I don't love it.
It tastes really healthy.
Feels dry.
Yeah.
It's like missing something.
Yeah.
It's more bread. But I sort of like that.
I wish it had more frosting.
Right? I give it a 6 out of 10. Like, it's good, but I'm like not sure about it.
Like a 5 out of 10.
A 7 out of 10. But I probably won't ever buy this again. But I don't
Right.
really eat Pop-Tarts, so that's another thing.
Ooh, maybe it'll taste better warmed up.
Probably.
Two more. Which one?
Let's save this for last.
Okay. Pumpkin spice batons.
Ooh.
They're delicate rolled wafers filled with pumpkin spice. How do I open this again?
Thank you.
Oh, you really like that.
Okay, I changed my mind. A 10 out of 10.
Oh, there's tape on here, that's why.
I between my
Wait, I thought I
got a
got it.
sandwich.
Smart.
That's not very fall-y.
Did you get pumpkin with that?
No. I got an Italian with that. Kidding. Got an Italian sub.
Okay. Do you need help?
I got it. Okay. Thank you, Bill.
Yup.
Okay, got it. Ooh, comes like this.
I actually really do like their wafers. I think over the summer, I don't know if it's only a limited time, but I got the lemon wafers and it was really good. They remind me of the Girl Scout
Do you want to try one?
lemon cookie that I ordered. I was trying to hunt these.
Ooh, these look like cigars.
Not ad friendly. Okay.
They look like that. It's like pretty empty.
They look like the Pirouets. I forget what it's called.
Straws. These look like
Yes.
the, what's it called? The chocolate straws? Like people would
chocolate
put.
wafers,
Yeah, yeah,
Are you putting that in your coffee? I hope it doesn't get soggy.
yeah.
Then it would just be
Probably.
nasty. Can you
You
drink out
can't
of it?
drink out of it.
Yeah, it's like
Wait, really?
clogged.
Yeah.
Oh damn.
Bummer.
It's good, but I'm not really hungry.
It's
Like-
sweet.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think I just had too much pumpkin flavored things.
Yeah.
I'm over it.
I don't even know if I'm. Oh well, that one's fine because it's not pumpkin flavored.
Exactly.
I feel like we just had a pumpkin overdose.
We did. I give this a 7 out of 10.
I'm good rating. These are the spooky half moon cookies. They're just orange and brown. What are they called? The black and white cookies?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
And thank God this doesn't taste like pumpkin.
Yeah, this is just vanilla flavored.
Thank you.
Oh, they look like they were like
They look soft.
They are.
Oh, they are?
they look like they were homemade.
Right?
They do.
Like look at the back.
Ooh, look at the inside.
Mmm.
How is it?
Mmm.
I've had these before, but like actual like the black and white version.
Mm-hmm.
Never a dull moment with these cookies.
I like this and the kettle corn the most.
Mm-hmm.
And
This
then
is a
maybe
10
the
out of 10.
batons.
Yes.
And then the cookies and then the Pop-Tart.
No, yeah, my favorite. So I'm gonna do least, like my most favorite to least favorite. The kettle popcorn, then the batons, then these ones for sure, and then the circle cookies, the ones that look like Oreos, and then the toasters.
I think this is my #1 favorite.
Which one? The popcorn?
The popcorn, then the cookies. Then the pumpkin spice batons. Oh, I don't know about these two. I don't
Are the
know.
least favorite.
They're tied.
Yeah. No, the Pop-Tarts are at the very bottom. Like, I think I could make better.
Honestly.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe, like, and comment down below what you want to see next. Any other things to
Hit
add,
the
guys?
notification bell so you don't miss out on our videos.
And also, highly recommend buying any of these snacks. If you guys want to make opinions on them, go for it. We would love to
Yeah.
hear them. Like they both said, like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification, and stay tuned for the next video.
And sorry we couldn't film the entire like fall snacks at Trader Joe's.
Oh, yeah, they were all sold out.
Like this was not even on our list. Like most of these were not on our list. I was looking forward to there was like one tortilla chips and it was shaped like leaves.
That's cute.
And there was like a pumpkin.
Wait, was that pumpkin flavor?
No, there's two different kinds.
okay.
There's one that's shaped like like leaves, and there was like one tortilla chip that like tasted like pumpkin. But
Oh, yeah, that one.
good thing we didn't get that one.
Yeah. But yeah, guys,
And try the Starbucks drinks.
No, there's
Dunkin' drinks.
Oh my, you're canceled. Okay. Try the Dunkin' drinks. This is a Charlie cold brew.
This is pumpkin spice latte.
This is the I don't know.
I think it's just pumpkin spice
Pumpkin
iced
drink.
coffee
something like that.
with oat milk.
Yes.
My brain is fried.
But yeah, guys, so enjoy, have fun,
Stay
safe, and stay tuned for the next video.
Bye.
Bye.